Hi there. Today I am sharing something that I'm so hopeful will inspire you. My name is Amanda from the Hinman Holistic Health Institute. And I recently had a conversation with a woman who, for a health history consultation, she came to me because she had a very scary doctor's appointment, right? Went in for a routine mammogram and they found a small lump in her breast. And like any of us, that's obviously a very alarming piece of information to discover. You just feel kind of powerless of how did this happen? What can I do? How can I make sure and avoid that this, or make sure that this isn't going to progress into cancer or something much more substantial. And it feels so good to know that there are things that we can gain when we have clarity around your specific body. So in this consultation, we were able to uncover through looking at her health history, symptoms, also lab work, that there is a very common dynamic taking place in her experience that I see this many times with women where they're experiencing suboptimal nutrition, right? So if we don't have adequate ability to bring on board key nutrients and then break down proteins and other amino acids, that can affect our ability to have the liver convert that inactive form of T4 thyroid hormone into the more active T3 version. And then that slows everything in the body down. If we have sluggish thyroid function, it's like sluggish thyroid, sluggish everything. This again is so common. I see this all the time. Sometimes even when your lab work appears to be normal from your TSH level, there actually can be suboptimal thyroid function happening that's affecting other areas in the body and other dynamics taking place, like as it was in her case. Poor thyroid function, poor liver conversion because of suboptimal nutrients, which was causing a buildup of estrogen in her particular body, especially estrogen as it compares to the balance of protective progesterone. And this can lead to hormone mediated tissue becoming impacted. Estrogen is a hormone that promotes growth of cell tissue rather than the clearance of cell tissue, or keeps the growth in check. So when we have hormone mediated growth, like she is experiencing, this is a very common dynamic that can have an upstream root effect all the way back from how well the body is converting thyroid, how well the liver is functioning, and bringing on board some key nutrients. But I'm sharing this because having this powerful information about your specific body, it just can shift you from a place of feeling scared, feeling vulnerable, feeling disempowered, to clarity, confidence, knowing what steps to take, where to focus, what can give you the most critical pieces of information to prioritize when it comes to supporting your health, and how to move things forward. So if you're in this space where you ever feel like, I know something's off, or I know my body isn't where I want it to be, but I just don't know what to do differently, a great opportunity to learn more, to become curious, right? To apply that beginner's mind, to seek out support where you can so that you can get more information, because with information becomes empowerment. And then you can take really specific, clear action steps and be moving in the direction of restoring your health. So I love doing this work. This is why I'm so passionate about helping women to feel their best and to really feel like they're in the driver's seat of their health. So if you're in a situation, if there's anything I can ever do to help you, of course, you can always, definitely click on the information in this video to find out how to connect with me or my team. This is what we specialize in. And I just want you to feel inspired that there's always resources, and we have such great skills and tools in our toolkit with functional medicine science, that you never have to be in that place of disempowerment. Thanks, and wishing you a really fabulous day.